How to add or remove widgets to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, go to the home screen page that you want to add the widget. Then touch and hold. Next, tap on widgets at the bottom. From the list here, there are many different widgets that you could choose. So here from the top down, you got Smart, Suggestions, Apple Music, Battery, Bixby Vision, Calendar, Camera, and so on. So go down the list here and choose a widget that you would like to use. You can also use the search function to search for your favorite widget. For example, if you like to use Spotify, we can add it to the home screen. So tap on Spotify. In here, it shows there are two different widgets that you could choose. Spotify, the smaller version, and a larger version. Then drag on the widget that you want to use and then drop it on your home screen. And in here, you can resize your widget by resizing the handle. So you can resize the width of the widget or the height of your widget. So I can make it larger and longer. Next, touch and hold on the widget. And in here, there are two options. You can create stack or remove. Some widget, you will be able to customize it. So for example, if I add in another widget, such as the calendar widget, right here, so I can add the calendar widget to my home screen. On the home screen, I can resize the widget to make it smaller. Then I can touch and hold onto that and tap on Settings. In Settings, I can customize the widget to display the background in white or in black. I can also choose to have my widget semi-transparent or fully transparent, and then tap on Saved. And that's it. So that is how you can customize your widget. To delete the widget, you can touch and hold, then tap on Remove, and that will allow you to delete the widget from the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.